Good morning, friends. I'm Vijay Malhotra. Welcome to our channel Pedal and Tring Tring. Today we are in Pune Four Seasons Resort. We are going to have a electrifying ride with Let's Mogocho and Hero Electro Cycles. The ride is going to be led by one of the most versatile actors from Bollywood, Miss Gul Panag, and we're going to ride along the Mulchi Lake for 22 kilometers. So it's going to be a fun ride. Join us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Team leader is Rishi on bike number 1. Float, I'm going to go up and down the ride wherever required and wherever it's safe.
Five. We both will stay at the behind, so we'll take in videos. No? I mean the last two.
We are starting the ride, and it's a 22 kilometer ride along the Mulchi Lake. And Gul Panag ji, she's going to lead the ride with about 10 riders, and we're going to have lots of fun.
Let's Mogocho.
Let's Mogocho.
Short break.
Short break.
Got used to it.
This is amazing.
Yeah. Then it's like that.
Assuming we are rock stars riding so fast.
आपके साथ साइकिल करने का सो दिस इज लाइक काबिले तारीफ एंड यू आर वेरी एनर्जेटिक पर्सन एंड जिंदा दिल हसमुख मिलनसार
Thank you.
and the place is also good and I think it's a wonderful company of all the riders. Hi Nikita.
Hi.
So what brings you here for the Let's Mogocho experience?
Actually, I'm an IT working employee. My weekends are usually free. Weekend I'm up and I enrolled in and I thought let's go with it.
Yeah.
We'll see how it is and so far it's been really good. Bikes are quite comfortable and they pretty much are very easy to ride once you get a roll on them. Yeah.
So thanks a lot for joining us.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Gul from Mogocho. I've been riding with the gang. We've done about 15 kilometers and we have another 7 to go. This is a fun e-ride we're doing. We've got these amazing cycles from Hero Electro and they're very impressive. I've loved the shocks, great suspension. And it makes riding uphill really easy. And I'm really grateful to Rohit, to Vijay, to Rohit 2, to Vinay, to Nikita and Amitabh and Gaurav who've joined the ride. And we're trying to create amazing experiences. And we hope to see you on one of our next rides.
Hi, my name is Rohit and I'm from Pune and we are here on a Sunday event which has been organized by Mogocho and it's an event where we got to experience the electric cycle. We've just covered 50% of our distance right now going forward from here. Thank you very much for making us a part of this lovely event. Thanks.
Hi, this is Amitabh. I am experienced with Let's Mogocho.
Till now, we have done about 15 kilometers on the Hero electric bike. It's quite a discovery for me. I never knew it will be so effortless. The group here is amazing. Much energy. I'm meeting new people. Going back, I'll take a lot of memories. I think I'll surely get an electric bike for myself. Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Rohit Mahadev, and this is my first experiences with Magucho, and what a wonderful experience this has been. Very beautifully organized, especially by Gul Panag and Hero Electro. I must say the bikes are very impressive, very smooth handling, not much effort, and the route that they have chosen, it is absolutely scenic, very beautiful, lovely people to hang on with, and I'm definitely going to come again, and very, very happy for this ride. I wish everybody who is watching this, come and join this. It's a beautiful experience. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vijay Malhotra. I'm a media professional and a cycling blogger. I have done rides in many places in Europe as well, and I feel that cycling brings people together. It's good for social networking, and it has ample of mental and physical benefits. Today I'm a part of Let's Mogocho cycling experience, and I must say this is a very good concept in terms of building sustainable tourism, bringing people on a common platform. You can always connect with Let's Mogocho and try at least once and see the experience by yourself. Thank you.
And that's the last stretch now. We go around this. Nikita, when doing long rides in the mountains, walking up a mountain pass with your bike is absolutely legitimate and allowed. Like, you're not less of a cyclist if you are walking up the path. So don't feel bad about it. Solo guy. Mountain.
A part of the property that side.
Hi, so we have with us a very versatile personality, Miss Gul Panag. Gul Panag ji, welcome to our channel.
Thank you.
And we would like to know, how did you build interest in cycling?
Vijay ji, my father is an avid cyclist. He cycles every day 40 odd kilometers from the last 16 years. तो वो daily अपना 35-40 करते हैं. And he said कि मुझे लद्दाख जाना है. तो I said, okay, we'll come with you. He said, you should start take up cycling. I said, no, cycling में क्या exercise है? Cycling में कोई exercise नहीं है. But जब मैंने शुरू की and I started cycling long distance, I realized that it's a great medium range cardio sustained workout. And I began enjoying it. Then I bought a couple of cycles. Of course, cycling I knew, but I wasn't pursuing it. Then we began doing some rides, and we did this big ride from Manali to Leh. That's how we
Connected, yes.
Instagram connected us.
Yes,
That's how I got into it. Now I try and do at least one 30K ride a week
Okay.
as a part of my fitness routine. I also like to do rides with my friends and family. And people keep asking me, where are these places to ride? How do we do this? Because it does involve some logistics. It requires support. It requires recce. It requires, one doesn't want to go and figure out कि रास्ते में कहीं पे खाना खा लेंगे.
Sure.
So that's how we at Magucho are now working with say a Hero Electro,
Right.
to create these experiences across the country.
Fantastic. And I must say that we had a lovely experience like riding with Let's Mogucho team today.
Thank you.
And the bikes provided by Hero Electro were amazing and effortless. And so we could, sail through.
Yeah,
quite
the 20
easily.
kilometer ride
Yeah,
did
yeah.
not feel like 20. I mean,
Absolutely.
it was, and there were a lot of uphills, but the assist really helps.
Absolutely. And with the scenic background and the natural landscape, it made it all the
Yeah,
more
it was beautiful.
amazing
It's a beautiful
experience.
ride.
You have so many professional assignments with your filmmaking, and you're very active fitness enthusiast. How do you manage and balance your professional and sports commitments?
I think I remember I read somewhere this line by somebody, जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए लंबी नहीं. तो I feel अगर हम ये सब करेंगे और सारे experiences हमें अगर महसूस करने को मिलेंगे, then life is fully lived. So I try and make sure that I do as much as possible to pursue all the different experiences that I can.
Fantastic. It's really inspiring. And we've also observed on social media that as a parent, you tend to involve your son in outdoor activities. Normally ऐसा होता है कि जब एक parent होता है और उनका बेटा या बेटी होता है और they just give them a mobile or a
Screen,
yeah,
जी.
screen device so that they are engaged. But you as a parent always ensure that your kid is running with you, swimming with you, cycling with you, traveling with you wherever you're going. So as a parent, how important it is for the youngsters to get into outdoors?
I think I'm lucky because I got into cycling, like I said, because of my father.
Sure.
He's into cycling, so he encouraged me to be into cycling. But he also encouraged me into fitness, and he didn't encourage me into fitness by saying "Jao workout karo, jao workout karo." He said he used to work out himself, and I used to watch him. And then I started joining him. Similarly, my son, I don't take my son cycling. I go cycling, and he sees me, and he's like, "Mama, I want to come with you."
Sure.
तो वो करता है, मतलब when I do a 30K ride in a week, he'll do a 10-12 के तो कर लेता है already.
That's good.
So he follows us. I think children. I also remember reading somewhere, children don't do as you tell them. They do as you do.
Yeah.
They're observing you. So whatever you are doing, they're imbibing.
Yeah.
And if I want to give him a full, rich experience and upbringing, I have to involve him in everything that I do so he can experience more in life.
Absolutely. Yeah, they tend to imitate
Yes.
the people around them. Yeah. And if we talk about mothers, you are totally into fitness. Many a times we see that women typically get committed to their family
Yeah.
duties, and they end up compromising their own health and their fitness. But you are an example that the right balance of fitness and professional. So how can women devote time for themselves and get into exercise and fitness routines?
So see, Vijay ji, there's one very simple thing that they say in the aircraft. हम लोग फ्लाइट में जाते हैं, सबसे पहले बोलते हैं कि in an emergency put your own mask on first, then assist your infant and other people. तो अगर आप खुद तंदुरुस्त नहीं होगे, अगर आप खुद फिट नहीं होगे, तो आप दूसरों को कैसे देखभाल करोगे?
Sure.
So I think for women, it's even more important to take care of themselves. For women, it's even more important to take care of themselves because if they are not healthy, they can't take care of their family.
Families.
So put your own mask on first before
Absolutely.
putting anybody
Yeah.
else's mask.
Yeah. And one last question before we sign off. What has been your most memorable cycling experience, and what is your dream cycling destination?
I think today's ride was a very memorable ride. I met some amazing new people. Magucho put together this cycling experience for Pune, and I met such wonderful people. I met you, I met Rohit, I met another Rohit, I met Vinay, I met Nikita, I met Amitabh. And I think we're meeting like-minded people, and that's what's amazing. You go away bonding with people who are exactly like you, who are seeking amazing experiences, right? And I think that's definitely my most memorable ride because I believe in living in the moment. What is my dream ride? I don't know. I would love to do a snow ride, maybe in Shimla.
Okay.
It's the more responsible way of going to the hills. जाके नहीं तो हम हमारी गाड़ी ले जाते हैं, वहाँ पे रहता कर देते हैं उनकी, और फिर उनको दिक्कत होती है locals को.
Sure.
So maybe cycling. And now that we know you have electric assist, its hills are not as challenging, as
Sure.
they were once upon a time with your traditional MT.
Sure.
So
And when do we have the next Let's Mogocho experience coming up?
we're going to be releasing a biking calendar very soon, and we hope to be doing rides all over the country,
Okay.
including Mumbai, Delhi,
Okay.
Gurgaon, Bangalore.
Okay.
So do keep watching and follow Magucho on all mediums.
Lovely talking to you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank
God
you
bless
so much. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you again, Amitabh. Amazing. Anoop has changed his t-shirt. He's like, "Boss, here." So wonderful to meet you after so much time of following.
Let's Magucho. Let's Magucho. Let's Magucho.
Let's Magucho.
Let's Magucho.
Let's Magucho.
Let's Magucho. Let's Magucho.